In your mind's eye, picture yourself getting up at 6 in the morning, hurriedly making breakfast while simultaneously managing the rest of your household's responsibilities. Your children are about to wake up, and the commotion will follow instantly. For most parents, this is just a typical day. What if you could use things to make your parenting life easier? Being a parent can be excruciating at times, exhausting to the point of mental and physical breakdown. Fret not, we've got your back. Today, we will talk about 15 things for parenting those parents can find on Amazon. Welcome to Unitro Digital. Keep an eye on our channel by subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you do not miss any of our videos. Are you interested in learning more about today's topic? Make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Number 1. The Pink Stuff. Since the Pink Stuff is a multi-purpose cleansing paste, you will not have to go into full panic mode if your toddler decides to draw artistic sketches all over your walls. When used correctly, it can remove Sharpie marks from walls, resulting in an astonishingly clean look. Never again will you be concerned about the small painters who live in your home, whose largest canvas is your walls and white doors. With this solution, you will not have to scrape as hard to get ink, crayon, paints, or even permanent marker off doors and walls as you would with other alternatives. Number 2. Bug Bite Suction Tool. An ingenious bug bite suction instrument created by a mother is well worth the hype. Since this clever apparatus removes all types of insect bites, irritation and swelling are immediately relieved, and your children are not kept itching. Swelling and irritation are significantly reduced by using this item. This product is highly beneficial for mothers whose children are susceptible to mosquito bites and develop large blisters that itch terribly after being bitten. It quickly eliminates, or at the very least significantly lessens, the itching. Number 3. Sink Extenders. This fantastic product is a set of sink extenders to relieve the strain of lifting your child over the sink and into the bathtub. Not to mention how much kids will enjoy the freedom of being able to clean up their hands on their own. Implementing bedtime and morning routine changes, such as faucet extenders and step stools, proved beneficial. If you have small children, this is an excellent tool for teaching them how to wash their hands. Additionally, you will save the effort of mopping up spilled water in the sink once the kids have finished washing their hands. Number 4. Corner Guards. Adding a set of unnoticeable corner guards to your parenting kit is a great way to protect your child's delicate forehead from huge bangs whenever they wander perilously close to a pointy coffee table or other sharp objects. If you do not want a distracting baby-proofing item in your home, this is the ideal solution because they are so discreet that no one will even realize that you have them placed. They're simple to put together, stuck on well enough with little effort, and were provided in plenty of quantities so that you will always have more on board if you need it. Number 5. Mushroom Pacifier. Reviews claim that this mushroom pacifier and teether, made to seem like a breast, has unexplained supernatural powers and will calm your child who has rejected using any other pacifier or teether in the past. If you have tried numerous teethers, but none of these have provided relief for your children, this may be the ideal choice for you. This mushroom pacifier is suitable since it contains a grip in the center under the mushroom, making it easy for your youngster to hang onto it quickly. Babies can chew on this to relieve teething pain and use it as a pacifier. Number 6. Detangling Brush. Your child's daily hairbrushing misery will be transformed into a comfortable one that does not result in tears by using a detangling brush that glides through clumps. Take a deep breath and say goodbye to painful hairbrushing and innumerable outbursts from your children when combing their hair. This brush may also make bath time a much happier experience for you and your child. Not only will it make brushing your toddler's hair easier, but it will also assist in reducing hair damage in the process. Number 7. Canvas Growth Chart. A canvas growth chart is a must-have for your home, as it allows you to keep a record of your kiddo's height without writing up the walls. This is a charming keepsake that can be rolled up and tucked away. Number 8. Portable White Noise Machine. This portable white noise device is cheap and may be used to mask out background noises while soothing your baby to sleep in new environments with peaceful, pampering sounds. They are handy when taking your little ones on long vehicle excursions. It assists them in calming down and falling asleep in the car and on the road. You can choose from a variety of sound settings and different sounds to suit your mood. What is up, amigos? The first half of our list has already been completed, and we hope you are having a good time. In the meantime, please give this video a like or share it with your loved ones. Next up on our list, number 9, Shampoo Scalp Massager. A soothing shampoo scalp massager is essential in cleaning your tiny toddler's scalp so that they do not have to struggle from all the itching, flaky roughness that tends to appear as the days grow shorter and the weather becomes cooler. Work the product into the skin using circular motions to accomplish the task. This will feel good on the head, and it will get rid of any buildup that is formed. Number 10, Car Seat Buckle Release Tool. You will thank your lucky stars if you have a convenient car seat buckle release tool because you do not have to lose your nails to unfasten your child's seatbelt. Instead of breaking your fingernail once again while attempting to remove one of your children from his car seat and becoming upset while reaching into the third row to assist another child, you may simply unfasten all your children hassle-free. This car seat buckle tool is unquestionably a need. Number 11, Toy Hammocks. This item is a solid and stretchable toy hammock that can be used to manage your child's ever-growing assortment of cute, squishy toys, while also adding a touch of charm to a corner of the space in your household. Speak no more of tripping over piles of cuddly toys as you walk throughout the house every day. Number 12, Munchkin Burp Cloths. The next thing that must be packed in your parenting kit is a packet of Munchkin burp cloths, which are way better than the typical burp cloth. Warm and cold packs can be stored in pockets designed to offer maximum comfort to irritable babies when suffering from distress or sickness. Simply ensure to divide the gel according to the directions uniformly and double check before administering to the infant. This is a game changer for new parents. Number 13, Suction Cup Bath Mat. The combination of dripping children, aggressive playing, and slick bathroom floors is, to put it mildly, nerve-wracking. A suction cup bath mat is the ideal solution to all of your baby's bathing concerns. This bath mat does an excellent job. It has a strong suction force, so your child can stand on it without moving. It is also gentle on kids' delicate skin, ensuring that they are comfortable as they sit on it. Number 14, Light Switch Extenders. This item is a set of innovative light switch extenders with an easy-to-grasp moon-shaped handle, allowing children to turn on and off the lights independently. The best thing is, this is glow-in-the-dark. These are inexpensive, but they can also be installed quickly on conventional light switches. It is the ideal solution as your toddler's independence grows, as does their impatience with light switches. This light switch extender set is an excellent purchase for any parent. Number 15, Munchkin Snack Catchers. What if you did not have to tidy up after your child's food trail? In my opinion, this is worthy of a Lifetime Achievement Award. Using this set of spill-proof Munchkin snack catchers, which feature adjustable flaps that allow easy access for small hands, you can keep foods like cereals and nuts from shooting around. Since the lid is soft to the touch, you will not have to fear your small ones hurting their little fingers when playing around in the cup. It is also convenient and simple to maintain. Being a parent might sometimes cause you to behave inconsistently with your underlying beliefs and values. Various emotions can be experienced, and worry and fear are just two of them. Parenting, on the other hand, is one of life's greatest blessings. There are many resources available to support and improve your parenting experience in today's world. Take a break from your old-fashioned parenting methods and try anything new and exciting. Wow! What a great list of convenient items! Which of these parenting items would you add to your Amazon cart? Share your thoughts in the comment section. This has been it for today. To all the wonderful parents out there, we hope we have offered you anything useful. If you enjoy this video, please like and share it, and do not forget to follow our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Unitro Digital. We will see you next time.